and welcome to our Bitrix24 tutorial. In this video, we will walking through how to add activities in Bitrix24 CRM. Activities help you manage and track tasks, calls, meetings, emails, and more. Let's dive right in and learn how to efficiently log these activities to stay organized. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what we mean by activities in Bitrix24. Activities represents your interactions and engagements with clients, prospects, or leads. This could be a phone call, a meeting, an email, a task, or even a deal follow. These activities are crucial for keeping track of your workflow and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's get started. First, log into your Bitrix24 CRM. If you are unfamiliar with the layout, you are going to focus mainly on the CRM section. So we are in the CRM section. This is the simple CRM dashboard. You will notice a list of contacts, deals, and companies and other important sections. Activities can be added for various points in Bitrix24, but for today, we will start by looking for a contact record. So I'm just clicking on just contact. For example, this one is here, that is ABHAM Enterprise. In the contact record, you will see a timeline. I'm just opening that contact that tracks all positive activities related to this person. You can easily add a new activity by using the add button. Simply, we can directly add activity here. Contact customer. After clicking on this activity button, we will see the multiple activity types, that is activity, comment, task, WhatsApp, SMS. Also, in the more section, we will get multiple options. This includes call, meeting, task, email, and so on. For today's, let's start by adding a call. Let's go ahead and select the call from the list. In the more section, we will select the call. Here, you will be prompted to add some basic information about the call. First, there will be activity type. You have to select the call, that is call we have selected. Then direction, was it inbound or outbound? So here we have to just select the inbound or outbound. Date and time you can set the exact date and time of the call or adjust it to the match the actual time to place. Also status we can add whether the call was completed, missed, or any other relevant status, that is here. Comment details, we can add any comments, any description about that call. Here we can set inbound or outbound call. If any deal is associated with the call, then we can directly select the deal. If you want to assign this follow-up call to any other employee, then you can directly add their name here in the responsible person. So just like that, you can set the call activity. Once you fill in all relevant information, you just have to click on save. And just like that, your call activity is now logged in the contacts timeline. So I'm just adding all this information right now. I'm setting the timeline, that is tomorrow and 12 p.m., that is 15th 1. Subject, follow, okay. If description, then you can add description. Type selected, that is outbound call, and I'm saving it. Just like that, we can see our activity has been created and we have set for the tomorrow, that is 12 p.m. In the activity, you can see here outbound call plan, that is for tomorrow 12 p.m. and the customer is ABHM Enterprise. Just like that, you can create the more call activities. Adding a call is a straightforward, but Bitrix24 lets you add other types of activities as well. Let's quickly look into this. That is, we will click on the task. You can add the task also if you have follow-up task or something specific to the related to the contact. You can create a task by selecting the task option, and then you can give the task name. After adding a task name, you can assign this task to anyone. Also, you can set the deadline for this task. Now I'm adding this task to the. Now we will see in the timeline we have created the task activity. Logging your activities consistently in Bitrix24 has several benefits. First, it gives you a complete overview of all interactions with the contact or lead. These help you to keep track of your sales pipeline and stay on top of follow-ups. You will also avoid duplicating efforts, that is, ensuring that you are always moving forward with your clients. As you can see, all activities are logged in chronological order. You can quickly review past calls, meetings, emails, and tasks right from this interface. There are different ways to create an activity in CRM. So this is the CRM view, that is CRM entity form. We have created the activity. Just like in the list view also, we have got the option to create an activity. We have to simply just click on the uh, option, and you have to just write down the subject, and then you can set the activity for the particular contact from the list. Now you can see in the list view activity has been created. Also, there is a Kanban view. If I have in I have a lead and I want to set an activity, then in the Kanban view also I can create an activity. Here is the interface of activities, that is activities section, in which you can directly create an activity for the particular deal or lead. To recap, adding activities in Bitrix24 is simple and can be done directly from the contact record, deal, or task. You can add activities like calls, meetings, tasks, and more, making it easy to track all interactions and stay organized. Now that you know how to log activities in Bitrix24, I encourage you to start using this feature to keep your sales process smooth and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more CRM contents. Thank you.